بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Dear viewers, today I am going to show you that how to connect your mobile camera with PC. Use mobile camera's webcam through Wi-Fi or USB. Go to Mobile Play Store and download Droid Cam. Now open any browser in PC or laptop and search for Droid Cam. Download it. Now go to Downloads page and run as administrator. Your phone and PC must be connected on the same Wi-Fi. If the phone does not connect and shows this message, then search for Universal ADB drivers on any browser and download it. Now go to the Task Manager and click Shift plus Control plus Escape and search for ADB driver. If this available, then disable it. If not, then close it. Copy all files and go to the Droid Cam folder and then open Droid driver folders, select all files and copy them. Now go to the Webcam folder and then open ADB driver folder, select all files and delete them. After deleting all files, paste the copied files there or follow the instructions as shown in the video. It is done. Now use your mobile cam in Skype etc.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.